Hello, and welcome to my channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to unleash your creativity and write amazing stories. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the most useful tools for any writer. They can help you overcome writer's block, generate new ideas, practice your writing skills, or just have fun. There are thousands of creative writing prompts out there, but how do you find the best ones for you? Well, don't worry, because I've done the research for you and compiled a list of the top 10 creative writing prompts that you can use right now. So without further ado, let's get started with the countdown. Number 10. The Variants of Vampires. The first creative writing prompt on our list is, think of an alternative vampire that survives on something other than blood. Write a story or scene based on this character. This prompt is great for fans of fantasy, horror, or paranormal genres. It challenges you to create a unique and original vampire that has a different source of sustenance than the traditional bloodsuckers. For example, maybe your vampire feeds on emotions, memories, dreams, or energy. How does this affect their personality, appearance, abilities, and lifestyle? How do they interact with other vampires and humans? What kind of conflicts or dilemmas do they face? Number 9. Spinning the Globe. The next creative writing prompt on our list is, imagine that a character did the old spin the globe and see where to take your next vacation trick. Write a story or scene based on this character. This prompt is perfect for fans of adventure, travel, or comedy genres. It invites you to create a character who decides to go on a spontaneous and random vacation based on the outcome of spinning the globe. For example, maybe your character ends up in Antarctica, North Korea, or Vatican City. How do they react to this destination? What kind of adventures or mishaps do they encounter there? How do they cope with the culture shock, language barrier, or climate change? Number 8. The Found Poem. The third creative writing prompt on our list is, read a book and circle some words on a page. Use those words to craft a poem. Alternatively, you can cut out words and phrases from magazines. This prompt is ideal for fans of poetry, college, or experimental genres. It encourages you to create a poem using words that you find in another source, such as a book or a magazine. For example, maybe you circle words from a page of Harry Potter, Pride and Prejudice, or The Hunger Games. Or maybe you cut out words from a magazine article, an advertisement, or a crossword puzzle. How do you arrange those words into a poem? What kind of theme, tone, or message do you convey with them? Number 7. Eavesdropper. The next creative writing prompt on our list is, create a poem, short story, or journal entry about a conversation you've overheard. This prompt is suitable for fans of realistic fiction, drama, or romance genres. It challenges you to create a piece of writing based on a conversation that you've overheard in real life or imagined. For example, maybe you overhear two strangers talking about their love lives, their secrets, or their plans. Or maybe you overhear two friends arguing about something trivial, funny, or serious. How do you interpret their conversation? What kind of insights or emotions do you get from it? How do you relate it to your own life or experiences? This prompt can help you create a realistic and engaging piece of writing that reflects your observations and reactions to other people's conversations. Number 6. The Rocket Ship. The fifth creative writing prompt on our list is, write about a rocket ship on its way to the moon or a distant galaxy far, far away. This prompt is awesome for fans of science fiction, space, or adventure genres. It invites you to create a story or scene based on a rocket ship that is traveling to the moon or another planet. For example, maybe your rocket ship is carrying astronauts, explorers, or colonists. Or maybe your rocket ship is carrying aliens, criminals, or rebels. What kind of mission or purpose does your rocket ship have? What kind of challenges or dangers does it face along the way? What kind of discoveries or surprises does it encounter at its destination? Number 5. The Unrequited Love Poem. The next creative writing prompt on our list is, how do you feel when you love someone who does not love you back? This prompt is perfect for fans of poetry, romance, or angst genres. It challenges you to express your feelings about unrequited love in a poem. For example, maybe you love someone who is already taken, who is unaware of your feelings, or who is not interested in you. How do you cope with this situation? Do you confess your love, hide your love, or move on from your love? What kind of emotions do you experience, such as sadness, anger, jealousy, or hope? Number 4. The Dragon. The fourth creative writing prompt on our list is, write a story about a warrior who doesn't want to kill the dragon. This prompt is great for fans of fantasy, action, or adventure genres. It challenges you to create a story about a warrior who has a different perspective on dragons than the typical one. For example, maybe your warrior respects the dragon, befriends the dragon, or falls in love with the dragon. Why does your warrior have this attitude towards the dragon? How does this affect their relationship with other warriors, villagers, or kings? What kind of conflicts or dilemmas do they face because of their choice? This prompt can help you create an original and captivating story that explores your warrior's character and their bond with the dragon. Number 3. The letter. The next creative writing prompt on our list is, write a story or poem using words from a famous letter or inspired by a letter someone sent you. This prompt is ideal for fans of historical fiction, biography, or epistolary genres. It encourages you to create a piece of writing using words from a letter that was written by someone famous or someone you know. For example, maybe you use words from a letter by Abraham Lincoln, Martin Luther King Jr., or Anne Frank. Or maybe you use words from a letter by your friend, your lover, or your family member. How do you incorporate those words into your story or poem? What kind of theme, tone, or message do you convey with them? This prompt can help you create a meaningful and creative piece of writing that uses words from a letter as inspiration. Number 2. The greeting. The second creative writing prompt on our list is, write a story or poem that starts with the word hello or another greeting. This prompt is perfect for fans of dialogue, comedy, or mystery genres. It invites you to create a piece of writing that begins with a greeting between two characters. For example, maybe your greeting is friendly, sarcastic, or surprising. Maybe your greeting is between two strangers, two enemies, or two lovers. How does your greeting set the tone for the rest of your story or poem? What kind of conversation or interaction follows your greeting? This prompt can help you create an interesting, engaging piece of writing that starts with a simple but powerful word. Hello. Number 1. The dream catcher. And finally, the number 1 creative writing prompt on our list is, write something inspired by a recent dream you had too. This prompt is awesome for fans of surrealism, fantasy, or horror genres. It challenges you to create something based on a dream that you had recently. For example, maybe your dream was weird, wonderful, or scary. Maybe your dream involved people, places, or things that are familiar or unfamiliar to you. How do you interpret your dream? What kind of meaning or message does it have for you? How do you translate your dream into words? This prompt can help you create something unique and imaginative that reflects your subconscious and creativity. So there you have it, 10 creative writing prompts that you can use right now to write something amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to share your thoughts and creations in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.